What's up mga kanaisers? Welcome back to my vlog, and if you have been following me for a long time now or maybe for a while, you would know na matagal na akong nag-vlog pero kukonti pa lang yung videos ko. And recently, I wanted to look back sa mga old videos ko and I noticed na in my first 3 videos, hindi pala ako solo dun. Hindi pala ako solo vlogger dun. Meron pala ako mga kasama. Si Mami, si Lisa, and even some friends. So today, let's look back at some of the videos I made in the past. And yeah, let's see yung mga first videos ko when I first started being a YouTuber or when I first started vlogging. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's look back together. Let's go! "9:20 AM, Mother's Day. Ano pwedeng gawin? Anong pwedeng gawin?
There goes a sight from my soul.
Kaya naman nagagalit ang isang tao dahil nasaktan siya, nalungkot siya. Kung hindi ka nasaktan, hindi ka naman magagalit. Oo, nagalit ako.
Me,
Pero
mata mga on.
magagawa. Ang tanging magagawa ko lang.
Wala oy. Aman ta mga on.
Yung tao.
Mamait magkakagawin, no?
Napakarami.
Dito mga ato dito.
Pwede.
Unsa mo gusto? Unsa mo gusto? Unsa mo gusto?
Balo, ako kabalo sila ma-flavor.
What ta dito?
Sa lahat ng mga tao.
Online Sunday service kasi may quarantine at may COVID kaya dito muna kami sa bahay bago kami lumabas.
We have all the reason to give thanks to your name alone, Jesus. Tao, mas gusto ho nila na magpaliliban na lamang ng produkto na kailangan nila.
Minsan man ni ano nagluto man ka? Magawas man ka ta.
Hindi na lagi. Ito biyak ulo, ha?
Kain na na.
There goes a sight from my soul.
Magsi 6:30 na mi.
There goes a sight. There goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Sira. Pinduta, asa man ta? May ikaw drive?
Hindi, init kayo.
6:30 na. Wala na daw Domino's.
Sa ingon.
Close na.
Sa ingon.
Ha? Alas 6 naman, quarantine.
Sure, dira.
Ano mo orderon me?
Domino's.
Pizza?
Langan.
Ano no pizza? Hawaiian?
Daon lang. Dili na sila main ano. Dili man nila.
Nasulay Hawaiian oy. Kung wala Domino's, ano sa'yo mong gusto?
Mga gulay. Pero dagag cheese.
Gulay na dagag cheese. Ew.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul.
6:45. Dulom na kayo. Yay! Domino's! Woo! Ah, kaso close. Ay, open. Open! Ito na ang pinakahihintay ng lahat. Woo! We're going up, 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 up. May, excited na ka? Domino's.
Wala siya set. Mura na siya ng set. Value meal.
2 to 3 persons.
3 to 4.
Pili.
Ah.
Barbecue and 3 Italian. Hantos or crispy thin?
Ha?
Hantos or crispy thin?
Kasi asa?
Hantos?
Chicken spicy, no spicy.
Spicy, spicy.
Unsang size na anak large? Ay, small and medium de. Abi na ko large.
Me, excited na.
Dapat ang large.
Hindi ka ginag small ug medium. Na, yan na yung small pizza. Small pizza. Gutom na yan si Mami. Yan na yung coke namin. Ito na! Kapon ka! Ne. Ano naman? Kita mo Domino's? Hey. Dapat ikaw magdala sa Domino's.
Mayroon ko ba? Ako ko ulog mais magsabaw ko.
Tugma dayo na pagkaon mo. Pag ganito kakaon ka ron. Home sweet home. May kaon na mi. May kaon na.
Mayroon lagi.
Ay. Ano di ka dira di ay. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you.
Ilan ta magplato?
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to you.
I miss this day.
Me, ano masasabi mo sa mga fans mo?
Buang. Hi fans.
Anong feeling niya nakakain na ng favorite mo?
Buang yun.
Speechless. Gikilatan man.
Siyempre.
Ubos. Ubos agad. 15 minutes.
Din ba?
Oh. Diyan na po nagtatapos ang vlog today. I hope you keep watching and support me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Peace. Now, ready ka na?
Oh. Ay, mas!
Ang init, pawis na ako.
Sorry, kasama mo kasi ako.
Feeling. So ngayon kasama ko girlfriend ko, si Lisa. Say hi!
Hi!
Pupunta kami ngayon sa computer shop dahil sira na yung computer ko at kailangan ko ipasira. 8 years old.
Pasira?
Ay, kailangan
mo
kong
ipasira?
kailangan kong ipaayos
Hindi,
kasi
ako na,
8 years
baby,
old.
ako doon. Ako na magsira. Libre. Durog pa.
Ipapaayos ko, hindi ipapasira. Ipapaayos ko yung laptop ko kasi 8 years old na. It's time for an upgrade. Introduce yourself in 2 words.
Maganda. Okay.
Ano?
Wala. Sa totoo lang, ayoko talaga. Kaya lang, pinipilit ako. Kaya ang usapan, ako yung hahawak ng camera. Eh ngayon, ang nangyari, napasubo ako. Ako yung hinarap sa camera. Kasi nga, describe myself now, maganda ako. Teka lang, ano collect nun?
After 20 minutes, yan na Basbe. Ano masasabi mo sa social distancing ng bus?
Very good, very nice, very distant. Pero pag pababa, wala na yung distance.
Very distance. Gutom ng mahal ko. Kaya Texas chicken muna.
Manok overload. Baboy overload. Ay, joke lang. Yay!
Social
Hey,
distancing.
cute.
Kaya kanya-kanyang table.
Yeah. Pati yung mga juice may social distance.
Kapag daw mag-refill ng drinks, kailangan daw sabihan siya kasi titimplahan niya pa tayo.
Wow.
social distancing. Ang ganda ng strategy ng Bangkok or ng Thailand. Kasi kahit na may social distancing, naka-open pa rin yung restaurants nila, pero tig-isang tao lang kada table. Kaya ito ngayon, 1 per table. Be, tapos na ako. Parang hamster. Parang abandoned yung mall.
Ako yung aswang.
Kala siya. Ang ganda naman ng aswang.
Parang isla pa ako. Akala mo nag-upgrade din yung mga aswang, nag-makeup na.
Paano tayo makakahanap ng computer shop na nag-aayos na maganda na mura?
Tanungin natin isa-isa.
Kapagod naman yun.
Wala mapagod pag gusto.
Dito tayo sa hindi ka duda-duda. Sa Happy IT. Happy Eat. Kakadrop lang namin ng laptop at mag-ikot-ikot muna kami kasi mga 2 hours pa. At ito na ang lungga ng mga babae. One hour pa. Success. Let's go. Oras na para umuwi kasi tapos na ang mission. And see you in our next video. What's up guys? Welcome ulit sa bagong vlog ko and it's my birthday! I don't know what will happen next. Pero tara, let's go!
Hello po. I prepared the surprise 1 month ago and wala siyang kaalam-alam, wala talaga siyang idea na meron akong surpresa para sa kanya. Marami akong tinap ng mga tao dito para sa surpresang ito. So probably magiging maganda yung kalabasan nito. And yeah, see you soon!
Dahil sa quarantine, hindi pwedeng lumabas. 2:30 na at naghihintay na lang ako kung ano mangyayari at ano.
Ngunit katapos na ang pagsalubong ng buong bayan.
We're a lot.
Namamas ko po. Namamas ko po.
Open, please. Okay, let's go, let's go. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Yes.
How old are you now?
Why does it feel like you just woke up? I just woke up. Open ko na.
That's
Am I supposed to open? This is my unboxing video. Hi, welcome to my unboxing video.
I know that. Electric fan.
This is the smell. Smell
Aircon.
is toothpaste. Kailangan ayusin para ma-recycle. Smell the good breath. Hindi ko na ma-recycle.
Papahirapan kita pala mo.
Yay! It's the chocolate axe.
Because I love chocolate, that's why.
It smells like chocolate.
chocolate axe.
Yeah, bango.
The axe will not go to your armpit.
What? No, it's not for the armpits, it's for the whole body.
Mabango.
Body spray.
Yes.
Next. Taste. What's this? Toothpaste. I still guess toothpaste.
Chocolate.
I'm not gonna go wrong with toothpaste.
He has said he likes chocolate.
Okay, going once, toothpaste, going twice.
Toothpaste? Why are you chasing awful when you eat
You
it?
can smell toothpaste, you
Stop
can
expecting
taste toothpaste.
Cheese.
This is my favorite. We went to Pantip and then I got this.
New product actually yan, favorite niya. Tapos may new product. Sabi ko, tikman mo. Sabi ko kasi, na plano ko na yan yung ibigay ko. Eh sabi niya masarap.
This is my favorite product of drink next to Pepsi.
Next to Pepsi.
And water. Next, C. I still guess
Long
toothpaste.
sleeve.
You can see a toothpaste.
Why?
Nescafe branded toothpaste.
Hindi ko alam kung
Wow!
Keyboard.
Oh yeah. It's a picture frame. We've been planning to print some pictures. Yeah, three pictures. Nice. Last. Touch. I still guess toothpaste.
Touch your teeth.
It will touch my tongue and my teeth.
Uy, take care! Take care!
Choose.
Colgate. Oh, Colgate with the sparkly thing.
You love toothpaste.
Oh,
Another one. Wow.
box section.
Masira.
Best boyfriend. Best boyfriend. Oh naman, best boyfriend award. Single.
Punitin mo.
Para ma-recycle.
Ninin, marirecycle. Uy.
Wow, masyadong environmentalist.
Hindi talaga mahal lang yung rapper.
Nice. What a nice.
Wow, what's that?
Wow.
Colgate.
Sony.
Camera?
Oh,
my gosh.
Wait, I must see. Maybe it's still a toothpaste. I don't trust my guts. So.
It's so thick. Para mahirapan siya, hirap magbalot eh.
It's called revenge unboxing.
For real.
Colgate. What a nice. Nice. What a nice.
What model is that? Is that the Sony? Yeah.
That looks so new. A5, what is this?
What's that?
That's
Oh my God.
It's so
6,000.
6,000.
Yeah,
Yeah, you know what?
Nice.
I know that camera.
Yeah, it's for vlogging.
Don't put it down.
Hey.
Wait.
What's up, guys? This is my vlog. This is my first vlog on the Sony one. There's one more. I don't think this is. I don't know if this is a toothpaste, but I'm not gonna say no
guys,
to
we need to calm down.
chances.
30,
It's
calm
a here.
down, 30, calm down.
I'm here.
You shave yourself.
Oh, why is it a here?
Oh.
Nice. Oh, what a nice.
Oh, full package. Grabe siya.
Ah, bakit may ano?
I-play mo gamit USB.
Play down.
Memory card reader lang yan.
Android does. The one that we use.
Yeah, boy.
Hey, what's up, birthday boy? Look, it's a birthday boy! What up?
Happy birthday to
Hey! Wait!
No, it's copyright.
Copyright. That's copyright. Make an original song, dude. What's wrong with you?
Let's go!
What? How?
1, 2, 3, go! We are young boys in a big, big world. So we noticed a big, big boy. He's something special and he's handsome too. What's your day anyway? We sing, hey, it's your birthday. We sing, hey, it's your birthday. We sing, hey, it's your birthday. And his name is Jerry and he's a good name. And I prefer pizza, but it's a birthday, so you can have anything you want. He's a big boy with a pretty girl, Lucky. He's our leader, heck yeah. And the puppet master,
It's kind of annoying.
he's something special and he's unbeatable, no champion with infinite wins. We sing, hey, it's your birthday. We sing, hey, it's your birthday. We sing, hey, it's your birthday. And his name is Daniel and he's a good year tonight.
I still prefer pizza.
Where are the cakes? Where are the cakes? He needs a cake. 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 I wonder if you like it. You like it? You like it?
I like it. Oh, we're doing this. Oh, okay.
Why is it that only Gian does not look like a blind singer?
He wore the sunglasses at the end. It's like, it's fine.
What can you say?
Nice. Grabe siya.
Grabbing effort. What will you say?
Happy birthday. No. Well, all I can say is thank you. Thank you, and I don't know what to expect. I didn't know what to expect. Pero I'm thankful, and yeah, I'm really happy. Really surprised and really overwhelmed. So yeah, thank you sa aking mahiwagang girlfriend.
May waga. Ano yun? May light sa likod ko.
That's it.
Yay!
May kwarta ba? May kota lang yung words. So yun,
Okay na.
that's it. What's up? Thank you sa panonood ng vlogs ko. Thank you sa panonood ng videos ko and sa mga nag-comments. Shout out to you. Birthday ko ngayon eh. Happy 25th birthday to me. Naisip ko, habang tumatanda ako, nag-iisip ako ng mga pangarap ko, nag-iisip ako ng mga goals ko sa buhay, bucket list ko. So, gumawa ako ng sarili kong bucket. Naisip ko lang mga 10 bucket list. Tapos, sabi ko, hala, ang konti naman. Dagdagan ko pa kaya hanggang sa hindi ko talaga maisip. Inupuan ko siya ng mga 1 araw, 2 araw. Wala talaga akong maisip. Hanggang sa umabot na 1 linggo, sabi ko, bakit hanggang ano lang? Bakit hanggang ganito lang? Tapos bigla ako naisip, ang bucket list, hindi lang pala siya about sa mga malalaki mong pangarap, pero pati na rin sa mga pangarap mo na maliliit. Yun, so dinagdagan ko hanggang sa naging 75 siya ngayon. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na ang gagawin ko mga vlogs is tungkol na sa pag-achieve ko ng bucket list. So siguro, 1 bucket list a week. I don't know. Siguro 1 bucket list every once in a while sa mga vlogs ko. And yun, weekly I will strive na weekly ako makapag-edit ng vlogs at weekly ako makapag-release ng. So stay tuned sa pag-release ko ng vlogs. And I will share the link sa bucket list na gagawin ko para naman updated kayo kung gusto niyo maging updated, and you can check it, ano pang mga idadagdag ko, ano yung mga na-achieve ko, ano yung a-achievein. Stay tuned and happy birthday to me. And that's it. Wow, ang laki ng pinagbago ko, ang payat-payat ko pa dati, and grabe, when I look back at all those memories, feel ko is like nostalgia. And yeah, thank you sa panonood with me. Hopefully, you will stick longer pa with me, and yeah, watch out for more of my videos, watch out for more vlogs in the future, and watch out for more tips in living and working here in Thailand. I will see you guys next time. Peace!